Sitting too much might be more detrimental than you think, leading to early death from chronic diseases. But fear not, there are ways to counteract the harmful effects, according to recent research. The key: movement. A new analysis reveals that the most effective activities for weight loss are moderate to vigorous exercises like running, brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or stair climbing. Moderate intensity means you can talk but not sing, while vigorous intensity leaves you unable to say more than a few words without pausing to breathe. Surprisingly, the study suggests that swapping 30 minutes of sitting for 30 minutes of sleep each day can lead to significant benefits. Quality sleep can lower overall body mass by nearly 1 pound and reduce waistlines by about 2/3 of an inch. However, this doesn't mean you can sleep away cardiovascular risk, it's about achieving restorative sleep. Moreover, standing or engaging in light activities like walking for 30 minutes instead of sitting yields similar benefits in weight loss and reduced waist circumference. The study emphasizes the advantages of activity intensity, showing that replacing sitting with moderate to vigorous exercise produces even greater results, with over 1 pound of weight loss and about 1 inch of fat reduction around the waist. The research, part of the International ProPass Consortium, uses wearable devices to analyze movement with precision. While swapping sitting for sleep improves BMI and waist circumference, intense physical activity significantly affects blood-based markers like cholesterol and blood glucose levels. The big takeaway: small changes in movement positively impact heart health, but intensity matters. So, whether it's a quick walk, standing, or vigorous exercise, find what you enjoy and can stick to. Remember, even brief activity breaks during the day, like walking or doing star jumps, can contribute to overall cardiovascular health. In a culture where leaving the desk might not be encouraged, simple exercises like box squats or dancing to your favorite tunes can counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting. The key is to make movement a habit, creating a healthier, more active lifestyle. Follow for more tips on maintaining a heart-healthy lifestyle.